Alright guys, I don't usually talk in my videos, but I'm going to give a quick rundown. This is 1989 Turbo Trans Am number 1546. And the previous owner was a good friend of mine named Jason Papageorge. He passed away a little over 2 years ago. And I told him I was going to try to get a 1099 out of this car. We are at the Bowling Green Buick Nationals, and I'm not sure it's going to do it, just based on the weather. It's pretty warm, but we're going to see what we can do. The car is a stock block 231 with forged pistons, has a stock cam with some ported heads, a 6152E turbo, methanol injection, about 24-25 pounds of boost. We'll tweak that if we need to. PTC 17 blade converter, still a 204R, and a few other miscellaneous items here, along with some chrome stuff. And it's mostly how Jason had it, with a few additions: speed density, a stretch stock location intercooler specifically for a Turbo Trans Am, and we'll see how it runs. We'll keep you updated.
Spend the day playing football and eating barbecue with old Patrick Mahomes. Guess what? There is an app for that, and it's an app you probably already have on your phone. Airbnb. Yeah, CEO Brian Chesky announced they're adding new services, including paying for things like massages and personal training, plus experiences.
Alright guys, just a quick update on the car. The best it's run so far is an 1122 at just under 123. So we got rained out yesterday, so we didn't get to make any passes, and prior to that I had 2 runs where the boost dropped from 26-27 down to about 19-20. So we qualified with an 1168, I think, at 115. We got one more qualifier coming up, and then the finals. Anyway, I don't think it's got a 10 in it. It's warm and we got a headwind today, but anyway, just wanted to share an update. We did get the boost fixed. We added a Lorenz Performance, their boost controller, and took the old RJC off. That was probably 20 years old, and I think it was malfunctioning. So we got the boost back, and we'll see what it does. Well, guys, we made it back from Bowling Green. We didn't break anything, and we had a safe trip back. We did have some issues with the weather there, and there was some hail. They got some of the cars, but that seems pretty minor compared to the lives that were lost in Kentucky and some of the surrounding states. So our prayers go out to them. I'm happy with how the car ran. I wish I could have gotten a 1099, but the DA was just never what it needed to be. On Friday we had some good 60 foots and we were making decent power, but there was a headwind. My two last runs did not match the draggy in the left lane, and I talked to a couple other people that seem to be having a lower mile per hour than they normally did. So I kind of think that the draggy was more trustworthy in this case. So I think it was 121, 122 into a pretty stiff headwind. Anyway, Jason, if you're up there, man, I'm sorry I did not get a 1099. But your car did see the track again, and I'm happy. I think the last time it was at the GS Nats was whenever this decal was put on. I don't know when that was. So anyway, that'll close it out. Kind of dedicated to Jason, who I think about a lot still. And I'm going to leave y'all with a few pictures and videos when I went to go pick the car up back in 2017. Thanks for watching.
That's right, go. Yeah, you're good. I think you're good there.
Let me see.
What do you think? I think it's good.
I'm going to look way too much.
Yeah, back it up now on this one. Get it flat.